The federal education minister is reported to have said in a recent interview that a proposal to make primary education compulsory is currently under the consideration of the government. Full stop. A high level meeting in this regard is being called in Islamabad, and the recommendations prepared by it would be placed before the National Assembly. Full stop. The context presumably is the goal set up in the sixth 5-year plan. Full stop. Universal compulsory education, comma, says the plan, comma, will be instituted with the plan period. Full stop. All boys of the relevant age group will be put into class 1 in the middle years of the plan, and all the girls by the terminal year 1987 to 88. Full stop. As we are in the middle years of the plan already, comma, the matter obviously has not only relevance but also urgency. Full stop. The nature of the urgency will be evident if we look at the reality on the ground. Full stop. According to the latest statistics, comma, of the 1 crore 30 lakh school age children, only about 66 lakh children are in the primary schools. Full stop. This works out to about 50% children being outside the schools. Full stop. But let us suppose that an official machinery is created, comma, the out of school children are identified and their guardians persuaded to let them be educated, comma, would there be enough schools to receive them? Question mark. Paragraph. The number of primary schools in 1984 to 85, comma, according to the latest economic survey, comma, is only a little over 75,000. Full stop. How many of these are actually functioning is a question which cannot be answered with certainty. Full stop. In the Punjab alone, about 100 schools are said to exist only on paper. Full stop. The salaries of teachers and other running expenses of these phantom schools are alleged to be drawn by officials of the education department and embezzled. Full stop. The Punjab United Teachers Association claims that about 150 schools are without headmasters. Full stop. Promotions are withheld entire because of administrative inefficiency or because certain palms are not greased. Full stop. Transfers of teachers are said to be arranged or withheld for similar reasons. Full stop. Even if all this were not there and the provincial governments were able to streamline and improve the working of their education departments, start building schools with residential quarters for teachers, comma, gave incentives for service in the rural areas, comma, recruited double, comma, the existing number of teachers, etc., would then the problem be solved. Full stop.